Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. There's no secret that I like small radio Go kits. And in this case, I got a new QRP kit. And this is one of those Pele cases that aren't Pele cases. One of those cases you can get pretty much anywhere. Let's first of all check the dimensions of the case, and then you can try to guess what's inside if you haven't seen the title of this video. It is 23.5 by, let's see, 23.5 by 17-ish centimeters, 15, 16, 17 centimeters, depending on where the case you measure. So it's absolutely no big case. Let's open up and see what's inside. So here we have a Chinese USDX radio. And besides that, let's see what else is in here. There's speaker microphone. There is a power cable. In this case, one of those barrel connectors that go into about every radio. And power pole connectors here. Then we have the power cable from the battery. It's I think this is called an EC5 connector. I'm not really sure about that. Into power poles. Then I have a small power pack here. 12 volts out. Either that or standard USB 5 volts out on this side. 12 volts out on this side. Claimed to be about 10,000 milliamp hours. But I think that is the capacity of the cells and not the battery itself. Then we have this little USDX transceiver here. I got this one used, but if you want to take a look at one of these yourself, I'll leave a couple of links down below, a couple of affiliate links to Amazon and Banggood for you to check these out. Not really much to it. This has, I measured it about 5 watts out. Plus minus, I'll do a more thorough measurement later on it and do that in a separate video. I just wanted to show you this little kit here, which is basically everything you need to operate this little rig portable, except for one thing. And you have commented this on my kits earlier, that I never pack this in my kits, and that's the antenna. And the reason I never pack an antenna in a kit like this is that antennas are what I consider interchangeable parts of a kit like this. You don't really need to use the same antenna every time. So let's just pack it up here. And close it up. And there's one more thing to do. It's not an official kit if we don't label it. Because if we don't label it, it's just a box of stuff. And it's not necessarily pretty, but still, it does the job. It's a USDX QRP kit. There's a USDX, a battery, and a mic. And it's my kit. That way it's easy to find. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, there are a couple of links below. That's it for now. Until next time, 7-3.